Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can edit your photo with CapCut PC. Alright, prepare your photo you like to edit and just import that, and it's going to drag to the track, and to edit your photo you can add the text here, you can add a sticker, you can add filters, but you can also change the picture to video. You can add the effect, split the clip before, select transition, pixel, add the effect. For example, select camera shot radius. Okay, and you can add the body effect, or select the animation, add the animation, and remove the background by cut out option here. You can use enhance option here for edit your face, for edit your makeup, body, and more you can getting from CapCut to edit your photo. Alright, that's how to edit your photo in CapCut, and you can get the video exported. Alright, I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe.